Hey there, DIYers and garden enthusiasts! Are you ready to upgrade your tree trimming game? Today, I'm introducing you to a tool that's compact, powerful, and oh so convenient, the 6-inch mini cordless electric chainsaw. The upgraded battery enhances the overall efficiency of the mini chainsaw cordless. With a 1500 amp capacity, it provides stable and powerful output. A single battery offers 30 minutes of runtime when unloaded and 25 minutes under load, and the inclusion of 2 batteries ensures you can meet your daily needs without running out of power. Designed for ease of use with either hand, our unique design allows for effortless unlocking and single-hand operation of the mini chainsaw. Weighing just 2.42 pounds, 1.1 kilograms, without the battery, it's lightweight and user-friendly for both men and women, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Multiple safety features protect the user during operation. Handguards shield against wood chips, while a chain guard controls debris for a safer working environment. Smart chip technology automatically stops the saw if it overheats, and overcurrent protection prevents damage by cutting power if the current exceeds the rated limit, ensuring both machine and user safety. Very suitable for home and temporary work, both adults and the elderly can easily control it. Suitable for garden tree cutting, cutting wood for heating in winter, clearing roadside trees, outdoor camping, fishing and clearing flat land, etc.
If you want to buy this product, click on the link in the description of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and if you want to know more about hardware tools, visit our website.